Navigating the GST Amnesty Scheme, key updates. Ready to help clients leverage the latest GST Amnesty updates? This guide outlines key changes for compliance and benefits. Notification number 11/2025 issued on 27 March 2025 brings a crucial amendment to Rule 164 of the CGST rules. This change directly impacts how taxpayers address demands that span both periods covered by the amnesty scheme and those that are not. The amendment to Rule 164(4) clarifies that taxpayers are only required to pay the full tax amount related to the specific period covered under the amnesty scheme as per Section 128A. This is a significant shift from the previous requirement to pay the full tax amount for the entire notice or order. This targeted payment approach allows taxpayers to apply for the amnesty scheme without being burdened by tax demands from periods outside the scheme's scope. This ensures fair and accurate compliance with GST regulations. CBIC Circular No. 248/05/2025 GST, also dated 27 March 2025, addresses critical questions surrounding the GST Amnesty Scheme. It clarifies the eligibility of cases where tax was paid through Form GSTR 3B instead of Form GST DRC 03 before 1 November 2024. The circular confirms that such payments are eligible for the amnesty benefit under Section 128A provided the amount was intended for the specific demand and paid before the specified date. This provides much-needed clarity and reassurance for taxpayers who used Form GSTR 3B for payments. The circular further clarifies the procedure for notices, statements, orders that cover periods both within and outside Section 128A. Taxpayers can now file Form SPL 01 or Form SPL 02 after paying the tax liability for the periods covered under Section 128A. A proviso has been added to Rule 164(7) to outline the procedure for handling common notices or orders that include periods both covered and not covered under Section 128A. This ensures a streamlined and compliant approach to appeals. Taxpayers are now required to inform the appellate authority or tribunal of their intent to avail the benefit of Section 128A and their decision not to pursue the appeal for the covered period, FY 2017-18 to 2019-20. The appellate authority will then pass an order for the period outside the scope of Section 128A. This amendment simplifies the appeal process and ensures that taxpayers can benefit from the amnesty scheme without jeopardizing their appeals for other periods. This promotes compliance and reduces unnecessary litigation. Provide clients with updates on the GST Amnesty Scheme, covering revised payment eligibility and appeal procedures. Share this guide, subscribe to our newsletter, and reach out for personalized support to maximize the benefits of the GST Amnesty Scheme.